We know you as a long-term bull on U.S. stocks.
Yes.
What's your level of bullish feeling right now about this market?
I'm pretty neutral. Last December, I said, this market's going to struggle this year after a great year in 17. I predicted 0 to 10%. And honestly, I don't see any reason to change that prediction. It's going to be a flat to slightly upward tilting year as good earnings collide with what I think is going to be higher interest rates, both by the Fed and in the Treasury market.
You mentioned it was sort of this collision between good earnings and rising interest rates. How much longer are earnings going to come in good? We're looking at another quarter of, 20% growth, even some revenue growth. But how long does that last?
Well, this year is going to be great, year-over-year comparisons, because of the corporate tax cut. But we also have to understand that this corporate tax cut is front-loaded. In other words, it allows expensing of capital equipment. That means firms are actually going to lose depreciation deductions in future years. So it's going to be great in 2018. 2019, you're going to have a growing economy to generate earnings gain. It's not going to be anywhere near as easy as it was this year.
So 2019, are you already looking ahead to stock returns then? Is it going to be a tougher year even than this one?
Yeah, I mean, I think I see earnings gains of 10% on some books for 2019. I think it looks more like 5%. And by the way, we're running a very hot economy. The Fed has to slow down job growth down from the current 200,000 average down to 100,000, or they're going to have to tighten much more. This is all predicated on what we call soft landing, that the Fed could provide just enough pressure to get the job market to just the right temperature. That's not going to be easy either. Another challenge to the market. Again, I'm not predicting a bear market. Valuations are still very attractive for long-term investors. We're selling around 18 times this year's earnings, so I wouldn't sell out there. But these gains that people are talking about, 10 to 15% a year this year and maybe next year, I just don't think they're going to be realized.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.